Hey lovelies, so quickly I want to introduce you to a new airdrop project that is not yet viral. So before it becomes viral, it becomes hot cake, go and start mining it, and I will show you how it works. And the airdrop is coming very soon, so it is just new and it is better for you to join now and start mining. I'll drop the link of how to join and start mining in the description box of this video and also in the comment section of this video. So I'm going to click on, as usual, I'm going to show you how to play it now so that you use opportunity and start and join via the link in the description box. So you are going to click on this play here, and once you click on the play, you click on start and it will load this interface on Telegram, to load a mini app on Telegram. And this is how it is. Now click on the link to join. If you are my Telegram channel, like I've been saying it since the past few days, join my Telegram channel, guys. You have access to newest updates. So now, once you join, you see it gives you a welcome gift of about 200 balls or 200 tokens. Yes, now you better go and join now before they remove this their welcome gift. That is just one. So I'll click on use your balls, and then this is how the interface is. This is how the interface is. So if I click on 0.5, just watch it, it's just playing. You see, I have 1.1 points. I have 1.1 points, and I'll keep dropping like updates about this balls. I'll keep dropping updates about this, but I have 1.1 point. Let me use 2.1. Let me click on 2.1 and watch the balls. Just watch the balls play. I have 0.5 points, so you keep just playing it like that. And this is under the game tab. Like, this is under the game tab here. So the first, you can also turn off the sound. Turn off the sound here if you don't want the sound. If it's distracting like me, the sound is distracting me, so I'll turn it off. Then you can click on mission, just like your regular airdrop project. You click on this mission here, and you make sure you do all the tasks under this mission. You make sure you click on that mission and you do all the tasks under this mission. So you see that right now people have not yet known this airdrop project, so it's not viral yet. So take opportunity and grab it. So once you click on this mission, you're going to see that you're going to have access to a check-in reward for each day, and just try to be checking in every day first. See, I'll click on check-in, and once I click on check-in, say well done, you just scooped up. I didn't read that on time. Then it said make your balls work. So if you drop 50 balls, like just click on drop 50 balls, and I'll click on drop balls here. Just watch. I have 1.1 points. So let me go back to the missions. Make sure you complete you usually come back to check in every day. Come back to check in every day and complete your daily missions. Look at some daily missions here. This one says visit official website, chat with TG community. You have 20 balls if you do this. Comment on a tweet and all that. Then they also have secret missions. Yeah, secret missions earn you up to like 100 balls, just like that. Join Telegram channel. So as I usually tell you, make sure you do your tasks. Then look at the rank. If I click on the rank, see the rank. Now I told you that I told you that people are not yet mining this airdrop project. Now look at the rank. You can see that. You can see the rank here. You can see the rank. So make sure this is my balls. This is the point. This is the rank. So if I click on the airdrop, it will tell you that airdrop is coming soon. Gather as many points as you can for future reward. Put your spares in gear and boost your balls tiers. Stay tuned for further announcement. If I click on the me tab, it brings me to like my own profile. So start mining sharp. Start mining, oh, sharp. So join my Telegram channel and get the latest updates, and also get some things about this airdrop project I just launched. So see you in a subsequent video. Bye for now.